when you buy this big ESC and it costs a lot of money, then you want to keep it, of course, so you don't have any troubles in the near future. You can do one thing, so check it out. The caps over here comes loose sometimes. What you're gonna do is take this cap off like this. You can also replace the fan. I don't have one at the moment, but I'm going to order one. This one, sometimes the fins crack with hard landing. You can epoxy these things. Why? Because sometimes they come loose. But first we're going to do something. You see over here, there's a little space between this plug, and I don't want, when the epoxy is done, you have to slide it over. So I'm going to make something else that we can still pull out if the epoxy is too high. So what did I do? I used an old servo. I put some electrical tape around there, and now we're going to put it in. What kind of epoxy you use? You can use every epoxy. I use these things. They're very cheap, and they when you open them up over here and you put this cap on there, it mingles over here, so you don't have to do it with a spatula. And then you put it on. Like that. Then it's on there, very good. Then you push it, and you're going to see it over here. You have to push it very hard. There it is. I hope you can see it. Flowing, it goes very well. Don't overdo it. You still have to put the cap back on. Those caps are more protected. As you can see, they're more sitting in the epoxy right now. Now you have to let it sit until it's dry, of course, and then mount everything back.
The following day.
So we are on the next day, and as you can see, the epoxy is all hardened up. Now we're going to take this one out here, wiggle a little bit, and you can see it comes out very nice. So you can put the other one from the vent over here nicely in there. See? But first we have to put this back. So and get all the cables good, so you don't squish anything. I'm going to put a rocket fan underneath here because rocket fans blow more and don't get cracked as soon as this one, because this one is going to get busted after a while. See? Now we can fit that back in there. Fits perfectly. and now we're going to screw it back up. Now these things don't get loose so fast. So that's it. That's how you do it. See you later. Bye.